Hi, welcome to Crochet with Hook That Yarn. I will be showing you how to make this scrubby called iHeart My Body Scrubby. I have two samples in front of me. One on the left has been used and the one on the right is fresh off the hook. For this project, I will be using the Red Heart Scrubby yarn in the color Blossom and Lily and Cream in white. And a 10mm crochet hook. We're going to start by chaining up 3. And we're going to be working 7 double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. So, 1st, 2nd, 3rd chain from the hook. So, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Sorry about my husband snoring in the background. 3 double crochets, 4 double crochets, 5, 6, and 7. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. So row 2, we're going to chain up 2 and turn the work. We'll be working 2 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1 double crochet, 2 in the 1st stitch, the 2nd stitch, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, and finally in the 3rd stitch, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets. And then the next stitch, we're going to be working a double crochet and 1 double crochet. Then we're going to be chaining 1 to make a chain 1 space and working another double crochet in the same stitch. And then we'll be working 2 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next 2 in the same stitch, and lastly 2 double crochet in the last. So 1 and 2. So this is what it looks like. 14 double crochet in total with a chain 1 space. For row 3, we're going to be chaining up 1, turning our work. So we're going to work a single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Don't mind the hair. 1 and 2. We're going to work a half double crochet in the next 2, 1 half double crochet, another half double crochet, and we'll be working 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. In the next stitch, in the next 2 stitches, we're going to be working 2 treble crochet. Okay, so for treble crochet, you want to yarn over twice with 3 loops on the hook, 2 and 3. You're going to be inserting, hold on, You're going to be inserting your hook into the stitch. yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling through 2 loops 1 time, pulling through 2 loops 2 times, pulling through 2 loops 3 times. You can do that again in the same stitch, a treble crochet, yarning over twice, yarn over, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops twice, yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times. That's your 2 treble crochet in that stitch, and then we're going to be doing the same in the next. So we're yarning over twice. Hold on. Yarning over twice, inserting your hook, yarning over, pulling up a loop, pulling through 2, 2, 2, 3 times. Repeat that again. Join up the loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, 3 times. Alright, so you got these 2 treble crochets in 2 stitches. So we're going to move on and we're going to do a double treble crochet in the next space, chain 1 space, with yarning over 3 times for 4 loops on the hook. We're going to insert our hook into the chain 1 space. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops 1 time, yarn over, pull through 2 loops 2 times, yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times, and yarning over, pull through 2 loops the 4th time. And that's a double treble crochet. So we're going to be doing a peacock, which is we're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to be doing a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook, right there. So we're going to insert our hook into the 3rd chain, and we're going to do that slip stitch right there. So for this little peacock, makes the heart really cute, gives it a little nubby. Yeah. So we're going to do another double treble crochet in the chain 1 space. So we're going to yarn over 1, 2, 3 times and insert your hook into the chain 1 space. And yarn over and draw up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops once, yarn over, yarn over and pull through 2 loops twice, yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times, yarn over and pull through 2 loops 4 times, and that is double treble crochet. We're going to do 2 treble crochets in the next 2 stitches. So yarn over twice. Yep. So 1 treble crochet and 2 treble crochet. Repeat that in the next stitch. 1 treble crochet and 2 treble crochets. In the next stitch, we're going to do 2 double crochets. In the next 2 stitches, we're going to do a half double crochet in each. 1. Oh wait, hold on. Try that again. 1 half double crochet, and then 1 half double crochet in the next. And then the last 2 stitches, we're going to work a single crochet in each. 1 and 2 single crochet. Cut your yarn, weave in the ends, and that's it. Thank you for watching.